Here's the moonflowers I've got growing. I planted them around the middle of the March, and they're what I'm going to put in the bed out there that I started for moonflowers, the raised bed. Okay, I put some string that I use for tying up plants, and let them climb up that string or the pole, whichever they want. So now I'm going to plant them. And it looks like they're already wilting out here in the sun, so I'm going to plant them pretty quick so I can get some water on them. And so let's go. I read that moonflowers don't like to be transplanted, and so I put them in peat pots so I can just set the entire pot in the ground, and then just cover that in with dirt, and the peat pot will disintegrate and go back into the soil. And you can see there's a lot of leaves in here. I put it in here for compost. Where they have vine together. Okay, these are nasturtium seeds. Go like that, get the seeds to fall to the bottom, and then tear it off and hold it like this, and just sprinkle it in. Those are too close together. I know you're supposed to go back and thin your plants out. I never have done that. I just can't bring myself to do that. There's a lot of things I don't do that I've read that you're supposed to do that I just don't do. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is water all these in really good, because when you're digging, if there's air spaces from where you were digging, watering them in will also need to bury this seed a little bit. Just push on it like that. The bigger the seed, and watering it right now is okay. I'm watering these moonflowers and nasturtiums that I just planted. Okay, today I got the moonflowers planted and watered, and hopefully they'll be real happy here. We love the moonflowers. They have a white bloom about the size of a saucer for a teacup or coffee cup, and they smell really good. Have a nice perfumey smell to each flower, and they open at dusk, and so I think they're adapted for nocturnal insects to pollinate them. But we love coming out every night just after dark and seeing how many more have bloomed, and there's usually about a dozen new blooms every day. So only disadvantage is they're not hardy, and they are a relative of morning glories, Ipopoemia. I think Ipopoemia alba, and they don't like to be moved. So we plant them in peat pots, and then just put the whole peat pot in the soil and let it go back to the soil. Here I've got strings for them to grow on. And it should be pretty nice sitting here on the benches that I made about dark and smelling the blooms and talking. So good luck with your seeds, and we'll talk to you next time. Goodbye.